Hi, I'm Sarita from Purple Haze. Today we are going to make this tiny mini album using 12 by 12 sheet of pattern paper. For this album I'm going to use TCWV watercolor paper stacks. You can use any pattern papers that you have. I'm going to use 2 sheets, one for the base and one to cover up the blanks. We will begin by turning the sheet over and start marking at 8.25, 8.8, 17.2, 17.8, 26.1 and 27.3 centimeter. Don't worry about the measurements. I will write them all down in the description box below. You can check them out. Now similarly we are going to do the same on the opposite side. Once that is done, we are going to take your scale and your scoring tool. If you don't have this, don't worry, you can always use your empty ballpoint pen. Yes, the one that doesn't work anymore, because it is going to do the same job for you. Now turn the sheet to the other side, and on this side we are going to mark at 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter, and same for the opposite side. We're just basically dividing the page into 3 equal parts on this side. Now once that is done, again we're going to use a scale and scoring tool and connect both the markings. Now the area that I'm shading away with the pencil, we have to cut them off. Now for the sake of speed, I'm using my cutter and cutting mat. You can always use only scissors because it is going to do the same job. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking every alternative flat and folding them in half. Once that is done, we will chop the half portion off. Now just go ahead and fold all your scoring lines that we have done earlier. Now this is completely optional step. I'm just using my circle punch to cut out semicircles from the flaps. Now I already cut out some pattern papers to cover up the blank spots. We are not going to cover up the pocket area because that is going to be folded over anyways. I'm using here Fevicol. Now to make our pockets, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a very thin layer only on the edges. Now I'm using my pinky finger to spread the glue out. Now this tip was crafted by Ellie Lydia on Instagram, and it is a complete game changer. What it does is it keeps your fingers free to still craft ahead and spread the glue with your pinky finger. Now all our pockets are done. And your mini flap album is ready. You can embellish it the way you like it. If you want to watch how I embellished it, please continue watching the video. Sorry for this interference. Hope you have enjoyed watching the tutorial and it was helpful. I'll be posting more such tutorials in the coming days. So please make sure you have subscribed to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.